The elderly man busy in the frame is Nobuo Jingtang. At 93 years old, he is Japan's oldest craftsman, with his one-of-a-kind blessing craftsmanship. Even the Emperor of Japan has personally invited him. Next, let's step into his small workshop to learn in detail the entire process of casting a Buddha statue. The first step in casting is preheating the mold. The stone retains an even temperature during heating, preventing the mold from unnecessary risks when exposed to high temperatures. Although this step seems simple, it is crucial for the success of subsequent casting. At the same time, assembling the mold is also meticulous work. It must not only match the statue's outer contours, but also ensure the smoothness of the inner cavity so the material can fill every corner. Its precision and integrity determine the final outcome. Once the mold preparation and assembly are completed, the old craftsman begins melting the alloy material. The most commonly used here is iron alloy. This material not only has excellent fluidity, but also retains high-quality detail after forming. Melting the alloy must be done at high temperatures. The temperature must be strictly controlled within range, so the material does not lose properties from overheating or overcooling. Once the alloy is fully melted, he uses a special blowing and casting technique to pour the alloy into the mold cavity. This allows it to better penetrate the mold interior. Meanwhile, with the mold being rotated, he ensures the interior is fully covered with molten alloy. This special technique not only improves product accuracy, but also prevents defects in fine details, making the statue's overall appearance more delicate. When casting is finished, he removes the statue from the mold and carefully checks whether the form is smooth. If there are no quality issues, it enters the trimming stage. Although the statue already has its general shape, its surface still has burrs in some areas. At this point, workers use various blades to finally trim the statue. The goal is to smooth and flatten the surface, especially the joints, which require careful polishing. This requires not only exquisite skills, but also great patience and focus. Any carelessness could affect the final result. After trimming the statue, enters the electroplating process. This step is crucial for both the appearance and durability of the statue. Electroplating not only gives the statue a smooth, delicate texture, but also enhances its corrosion resistance, ensuring it remains beautiful and dignified for a long time. During this process, the statue is immersed in a 70 degrees Celsius copper sulfate bath, removing surface impurities and grease. It is then cooled in water and treated in 90 degrees Celsius steam to clean away oil stains. Next, the statue is placed in a copper tank until a uniform copper coating forms on the surface. When the surface begins to shine, it enters the neutralizing bath for the final treatment, making the surface brighter and like new. Finally, the statue is washed in water, then rinsed in hot water to remove moisture, and dried in a dryer. At this stage, the electroplated statue already has a brilliant luster. But to make it even more perfect, workers perform mechanical polishing with specialized equipment and techniques. The statue becomes even smoother and more refined. After this series of processes, a flawless Buddha statue is complete. After watching, do you think this old man's casting method counts as a special craft? This is how Z made. Follow us and see you next time.